Welcome back to the shop, guys. In this video, I want to show y'all one important step to do before rebuilding or replacing the carburetor. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, it's always easy to think in the small engine field that it's automatically a fuel-related issue when it runs rough in the carburetor. A lot of people start fiddling with their needles on there and stuff like that, trying to get them to run better. But before you order or rebuild your carburetor or even play with your needles, one important step is to do a compression test on it, because it could be low and that's why it runs rough. So I'm going to show you how to do a compression test on a weed eater. This one's an old cheapo Hyper Tough from Walmart's, and spark plug's already out. So first thing you gotta do is take the spark plug out, and let's get set up. Alright, first things first, get yourself a compression tester. I'll put a affiliate link to this one down there below for the Amazon. And you want to make sure you have the right adapter. This one, the thread pitch is a normal size, so I'm going to use just this. Screw that in there. Get in there, snug in there against that O-ring. And then you put on the gauge. It's made like an air hose. It just, like that. So, again, we're going to go over here. And we gotta hold this down when pulling, and we're gonna pull about 5 or 6 times. I usually pull until the needle stops moving. So I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna try to put it up here the best I can and pull it. That compression is actually really good. Look, we got 120. That's good. A 2-stroke uses more compression than a regular lawnmower. So most won't run under 100 PSI. They'll run preferably 115, 120, depending on your specs of your machine. You can Google your specs for your machine online. You can find what specs goes for what. Most don't run good under 110, 115. So this is actually really good, which it should be. It's a newer weed eater. My dad just poured old gas in there, and so I got to clean that out. But that's all there is to that, guys. It's just very important to test your compression before you just go out and order parts. Let me pull you off the tripod. Now, if you want to rebuild the engine, it is up to you. Personally, in my shop, I don't rebuild these engines. It's not worth it. Labor costs, part costs, all adds up. You can go get a new weed eater, and that saves a lot of weed eaters, even Echoes and stuff like that. It can go up as much as buying a new weed eater. Most shops don't rebuild engines on weed eaters anymore. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this out. Let's make this one of the best small engine channels on YouTube, guys. I hope to see y'all next time in the shop. Thanks for watching, guys.